Minuteman Anchors has been bringing you the smartest advances in mobile home anchoring systems since 1963. Now, Minuteman Anchors offers you the most stable, most secure mobile home foundation system available. The Longitudinal and Lateral Bracing System, LLBS for short. Just as revolutionary as its strength is the LLBS's ease of installation. No other system comes close. See for yourself. Here's how to install it. The only tools you'll need are a shovel, a hammer, a 3/4-inch wrench, and a drill. Before you start, read over the detailed installation instructions for wind zones 1, 2, and 3, located in each hardware box. To determine your pier location, pier spacing, and required footing sizes, look to your home manufacturer's installation manual. The systems can then be placed at selected pier locations. Okay, we're ready to start installing. First, attach the lateral tube clip to the SD3 pad with the 1/2-inch washer and the 1/2 by 1.5-inch carriage bolt and nut. A pre-made hole is provided in the pad. Tighten the nut securely with your wrench. Next, take your shovel and remove turf to expose firm, flat soil at each system location. Center the pad at the system location under the outside frame beam, with the lateral tube clip toward the inside of the home, and the 2 longitudinal tube clips lined up with the center line of the home frame beam. Place the lateral frame clamp over the top of the inside frame beam. Be sure it's in line with the lateral tube clip on the pad. Now, attach the lateral tube brace to the frame clamp with the 1/2 by 2.5-inch carriage bolt and nut. Tighten with your wrench. Extend the lateral tube brace to the lateral tube clip on the pad. Attach the tube to the clip with the 1/2 by 2.5-inch carriage bolt and nut. Tighten. Stabilize the tube brace by installing 4 self-drilling screws. The screws are 1/4 by 3/4 of an inch. The holes are pre-drilled in the outside tubes. To form the pier, stack blocks on the pad until you get a tight fit under the frame beam. If you're using double stack block, be careful not to cover the 4 pinholes in the pad. Here's the real genius of the system. To secure the pad to the ground, all you need to do is drive the angle pins through the pinholes in each of the 4 corners. That's it. No digging trenches, no jacks, no pounding, no gaps. The pad is secured completely against the ground. When finished, the top of the pins should be less than 3/8 of an inch from the pad's surface. Your lateral brace system is now installed. On to the longitudinal brace. Begin by simply fastening the longitudinal brace tubes to the tube clips on both sides of the pad with the 1/2 by 2.5-inch carriage bolts and nuts. Assemble one side of the beam clips and plates with the 2 carriage bolts and nuts, 1/2 by 1.5-inch in size. Do not tighten the nuts. Place the beam clips on the end of the tube and attach them with the 1/2 by 2.5-inch carriage bolt and nut. Put the assembled side of the beam clips on the bottom of the home beam. Complete the clip assembly with the second plate and the 2 more 1/2 by 1.5-inch carriage bolts and nuts. Tighten the nuts at the tube, securing the tube to the pad. Tighten the nuts on the beam clip, securing the clip on the beam. Check to be sure all bolts and nuts are tight and secure. And that's it. You've just installed the Minuteman Anchors LLBS foundation system and provided your clients with the highest quality foundation system available. So, if you'd like your next foundation installation to be as quick and as easy as what you've just seen, give Minuteman Anchors a call today at 1-800-438-7277 for the distributor nearest you.